Hello everyone, this is Rashmi and today I am going to discuss about the solution of a quadratic equation by complete square method. First of all, we will discuss about the general quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a general quadratic equation. Here a and b are coefficient of x square and x respectively, and c is the constant value. Now, in complete square method, we will use any one of these two formula whichever is applicable. A plus b whole square, then a minus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's get started. First of all, this is the equation ax square plus bx plus c, which we will convert to a perfect square. Now, first of all, here a is the coefficient of x square. So first of all, we will divide the equation by a. So whenever we divide the equation by a, the first term become x square, then second term become b by a x, then c by a. Right hand side will be 0 because 0 divided by a is equal to 0. Now see, we will have to make this equation or this expression as in this form: a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here you can see that this is x square term, then this is b by ax. That means if you compare the equation with this value, then this is the first term, then plus 2ab. We have to express the second term as a 2ab. So this is x square, then 2 b by ax. Whichever is already present, we just write down their values. Now see, here we have introduced the value 2. So to equalize the value, we have to write down 1 by 2 here. That only 2 1 by 2 will be cancelled out and we will get the same value, b by ax. Okay. Now just we have arranged this term. We will keep this term as a same value. So this is c by a. After that, this is x square. So if you compare the value with a square plus 2ab plus b square, then you can see that x is equal to a. Okay, this x is equal to a. So we will write down 2x. Then we will arrange the other terms, which will be b by 2a. Now you can see that 2x, x is this from value, and b by 2a. Since b by 2a is the another term, a plus b whole square, these are two variable. So in the formula, a is a variable and b is a variable. But in this equation, x is one variable, then b by 2a is another variable. That's why now we will introduce the term b square. So this is the another value or another variable. So we can write down b by 2a whole square. Now see, in mathematics, whenever we introduce some terms, then also we have to make it equilibrium. That means if we adding some term, then we also have to the negative term. It is a positive term, then we have to add the negative term so that after cancellation it becomes the same value. Since it is introduced b by 2a whole square, so we have to write down b by 2a minus b by 2a whole square, so that after cancellation we got the same value. We cannot alter the nature of the equation. We can just change the expression. Okay, this is the nature. It has original three terms: x square plus 2 b by ax, 1 by 2 plus c by a. since we have introduced this term, that means we are changing the expression. That's why we have to write down minus b by 2a whole square, so that after cancellation we will again get the actual expression. Now this is the remaining term c by a, so write down equal to 0. Now you can see that this expression or these terms x square plus 2x b by a plus b by 2a whole square. So we can write down x plus b by 2a whole square. And now this expression we will shift the term to the right hand side. So b by 2a whole square, this is minus c by a. Now let us simplify the terms. Here b by 2a whole square, that means it is b square divided by 4a square, then minus c by a. Again we can take the LCM value. So for the LCM value, the value will be 4a square. So it is 4a square. After taking the LCM value, the numerator values will be b square, then minus, if we divide 4a square by a, it remains 4a, then we have to multiply 4a and c, so it becomes 4ac. Now let us take the square root in the both side. So it becomes x plus b by 2a whole square equal to square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now see, b square minus 4ac, we cannot express them in a perfect square, but 4a square is equal to 2a whole square. So let us write down that value. B square minus 4ac divided by 4a square is equal to 2a whole square. So this is 2a whole square. Now this is square root and it has square. So after taking the square root, the value is equal to x plus b by 2a, and in the right hand side it will be plus minus. So plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We can get these values. Now we can simplify these values. So we can write down x equal to b by 2a. This is a positive term. So if we take the value to the right hand side, it becomes minus b by 2a, and here present plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now you can see that in the both term the denominator is 2a. That's why we can take the LCM as a 2a, and after taking the LCM 2a, we will get the value minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. So this is the final solution of the equation. So in this way we can find out the solution of a quadratic equation. This is called complete square method. Here we are using the formula a plus b whole square, then a minus b whole square. Now see, since we are getting the solution minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, here it present the symbol plus minus. Okay, that's why we can get the answer like First solution we will denote it by x1. First we will consider the positive value, so minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then the second solution we can denote it by x2, and the value is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in this way we can solve a quadratic equation by complete square method.